If you want to use your SketchUp files elsewhere, you can download them from SketchUp Free to your desktop, where you can distribute the files. Now, you can use these files either in other versions of SketchUp, such as SketchUp Pro, or you can bring them into other applications, such as maybe a game engine or a 3D package. So we do this with the File menu. So if I go to File, Download, you'll see we have three options here: SketchUp, PNG, and STL. Now, this may be different depending on whether you have SketchUp Free or SketchUp Go. Now, we're just going to use SKP, which is SketchUp files, and it's available to everybody. And let's just go ahead and hit Download as SketchUp. And basically, that's all you have to do. So you basically say Download started, and then it downloads it to the default location set in your browser. And then you can take that file and use it wherever you want. So very simple and very easy to use. Let's take a look at how to get 2D images out of SketchUp. Now, you may want to use a 2D image for a presentation, or maybe reference, or even maybe a construction document. So we can do this in one of two places. So the first place we're going to go is the Download menu. So I'm going to go up to File, hit Download, and you should have PNG. So I'm going to go ahead and select PNG, and it brings me into this window. Now, this window basically allows me to navigate and fine-tune how I position this. So I'm just using my mouse and my standard navigation tools. If I want, I can do standard views. I can also do standard scenes. So if I've created scenes in the Scenes panel, I can do that. I can also choose a transparent background. Now, because it exports at PNG, this will come through as an alpha channel, and you should be able to overlay that onto other images. Now, I'm just going to leave this at the default and hit Export as PNG. And it's going to give me this little warning that says larger images may take a while. Well, this isn't that big, so let's go ahead and just hit Export. And once I do, you'll see that in my Downloads folder, I have that 0802.png, and that's the same file. Now, another way to do this is to print. So I'm going to go ahead back to my File menu and hit Print. And in this case, you're going to choose the size of the paper, landscape or portrait, as well as which view. You can adjust this like you can in the Download menu. And once you're done, you can print to PDF, click OK, and then that will show up in that same Downloads folder. Now, getting your SketchUp scene to a 2D image that you can use elsewhere is very simple. Just use the Download menu or the Print menu. You can also export to common 3D formats from within SketchUp. Now, the formats supported are going to vary between SketchUp Free and SketchUp Go. So you'll find it all here under the main menu under Export. And so these are all the formats that I have for SketchUp Go. Yours may be a little bit different if you're working on Free. Now, I'm going to go ahead and just select FBX. And when I do that, it's going to give me options. Now, every 3D format is going to be a little bit different, and so your options may be different between different formats. So I'm just going to leave this at the defaults and click Export. So I get this dialog box, and it tells me that it's been sent to the cloud for processing. So what we need to do is just check on this on the Imports Export Status dashboard. So I'm going to click OK, and let's go to Status Dashboard. And this gives me all of the downloads that I've submitted. And so once I have it, this one is now complete. And so I can now download that. So once it's complete, all you have to do is hit the download button. It downloads the converted file to your downloads directory specified in your browser, and then you can use it wherever you want. Well, that's it for this course. I hope you learned a lot about SketchUp Free, and please go ahead and practice with your own projects to get proficient with this software. Now, if you want to continue with SketchUp, we have a number of courses for the desktop version of the software. So go ahead and check out our other SketchUp courses as well as all of the other courses we have here at LinkedIn Learning.